Hello, it's Orney Borns, and today I'm making another vlog. So, my family and I have gone to a hostel for a couple of nights to stay, and while we're here, I came up with a challenge. The challenge is to use the food that they give you and make breakfast, lunch, and dinner, only using that food. So, we're going to start with dinner because it's coming to that time soon. So over here we've got a basket and a fridge, and it says that this stuff is free. So we'll check to see if there's anything we can make food out of. Well, there's not much here. Someone's already made pasta, and I think we could use this. Yeah, passata. We could use this passata, and over here, what is there? Noodles, pasta. We've got pasta. Nice. I think it makes sense. We're gonna probably make pasta with this then. So we've got to get some boiling water to make our pasta with. So we get the boiled water from the kettle that we just did and pour it in about half full or something. I'm just sort of guessing. Yeah, that's about right. And then we bring it over to the grill. Bring it over to the hob. It's not a grill, it's a hob. And we've already got the hob on. And we make this boil so we can put the pasta in, which is right there. So we get ourselves a cup of pasta, and we just simply pour that into our boiling pot of water, and that's it. We might put a lid on top of it, or just let it cook as it is. So we've let it cook for about 9-10 minutes, and now we can check how it is. So we just grab a piece, let it cool down a little bit, and once it's cooled down, we can test it. Oh, drop. So we turn the heat off and take the pasta over to a draining dish. Pour that sucker in, and we give it a shake to get rid of the excess water. Once we've done that, we can pour it back into the saucepan and take that back over to the cooling down bowl. And we leave it there for a little bit. So we grab our passata and pour that into the spaghetti. And you can add as much as you want. I'm probably going to add a bit more than most others. And I'll just pour the rest of it in. And then we give that a good mix. Stir in the last of the salad, like so. And then we can begin scooping it in and serving it. And then get the last of it in. Here we go. So, with our pasta completed, we can now add a bit of basil. Not too much, because it's a bit of a strong flavor. And a tiny bit of salt. And some pepper for seasoning. And this will all go down well with a nice glass of milk. So we get the milk. Bon appetit. And now, time to try the pasta. get a nice forkful into the hatch. First time I've ever made spaghetti or pasta. Win-win in my book. Good morning, everyone. Today is the second day of the Hostel challenge. It's morning, it's about 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna make some breakfast. So we start by getting the beans out. And into the pot. And you might have to get a spoon to get it out. And then we put it on to medium heat, about a 4 or a 5, and we let it start cooking. Next, we grab a couple of eggs, crack the egg, and second one, and then we'll add some milk. We add a splash of milk, and we whisk it all together. So we add the butter to make the eggs cook better. We let that melt. Then we add the egg that we just made. And I'm making scrambled eggs, so we're gonna let this cook for a little bit and then scramble it up. So as the eggs start to cook, as you can see here, you start to turn it around because you can see that it's beginning to scramble. And then that's our eggs beginning to cook. The beans over there, going nicely. Then once we've finished our scrambled eggs, we can turn the heat off and serve them. Yummy. And then while the beans are working, we can get on to the next thing, which is going to be toast. So we grab 2 nice pieces of bread. We get some whole grain one, because it's good to be healthy. We just let that toast. Now that the toast is popped, we can add some butter to it. Before and after. As you can see, the beans have begun to start bubbling, and that means that they're ready. So just give them a bit of a stir, and then we can serve them. And when you're a hungry teenager, you need to have cereal as well. Never really have Cocoa Pops, or I think this is Cocoa Pops. Just not a common meal in our house. To this we add the milk. Delicious. And now I can tuck in. It's really good. I've only made scrambled eggs and beans once before. Not as good as this. Toast. Now with this all completed, which is delicious, I can enjoy the Cocoa Pops. Hello everybody, I'm the noob of freestyle, and this is Hostel shots. Oh yeah, that totally worked. So the first thing we do is we start by turning the kettle on. Pretty easy stuff.